everybody.
Today we are vlogging because it's my birthday.
It's your birthday.
Which is very exciting. We're currently in the car, if you couldn't tell. But yeah, we are going to Clark's Village, which is near is it in Glastonbury or is it near Glastonbury? Just past Glastonbury. So we are stopping in Glastonbury on the way because they have about 7 crystal shops there. So what better way to spend my 28th birthday than go crystal shopping and Clark's Village.
Yay.
Ryan is so excited. He is ready for the day. And yeah, I've never been to Clark's Village before. You haven't been before, have you either? No, so it's going to be a brand new thing. Don't really know what's there, but we're going to go crystal shopping first, which is very exciting. And it is currently 12:10. We did plan on getting there for 10. But this morning, I mean, I woke up half an hour later than I wanted to because I was tired. And then after I'd opened presents and stuff, it became later and later. And then we went to get coffee and I dribbled cheese all down myself. So I had to go home and change my top. So we got there though, didn't we?
Yeah, eventually.
So yeah, so we're nearly there now. The sun is right in my face, can't see a thing. And we'll catch you guys when we get there. Not sure how much we're going to film today. I'm going to try and film as much as possible. So yeah, there may be times where Ryan takes over, probably while I'm in the crystal shops, because I'll be getting way too into it.
I'll keep you guys entertained, don't worry.
Yeah, so that's the plan. So we hope you enjoy, and yeah, we're going to go now because we both really need to pee. So
I need to be so bad.
same, I'm actually going to let myself, so it's just very stressful. Okay, so we are now in Glastonbury. Yeah, we are. Yes, we are. However, the first car park was a no-go zone. First off, there was no spaces anyway, but Ryan's very particular about the car parking spaces he parks in because some people can't park, do you know what I mean? And we don't want to risk people like scratching a car, do you know what I mean? It's just not, it's not great. But update, we both just had a wee, so we're a lot better now. A lady nearly just walked out into the road then, that was very, very close. But yeah, so we're just driving through the Glastonbury town. It looks really cute. It looks like, I don't know, like a little holiday towny, seaside-y thing, doesn't it?
Really, really cute. Oh, look, there's
really
one
cute.
of them, look.
Oh look, there's a crystal shop. I'm gonna be going in there. I'm so excited. Wow, look at that bookshop. That's so cute. Oh, it's such a cute little town, isn't it? Oh my god, that's cute too. It's all very cute. We'll show you it all.
I feel like everyone here is like really nice or like.
I love it.
Really
look at that
hippie.
guy with a hat.
Oh,
It's a guy
look
playing
at him.
guitar.
He's going away there.
Can you see him?
Such a cool hat. Wow.
But yeah, so we are gonna be. Oh my god, there's so many places. I'm excited to have a little mooch about. But yeah, we're gonna find a car parking space, and then we'll keep you updated with the situation. It's very busy, so I'll try and film as much as I possibly can.
People doing chalk drawings.
Oh look, there's a lady there selling crystals on the street. This is so exciting. Okay, we're gonna go, but I'll keep you guys updated. Westy, is it?
No, that one there.
Where? Oh, what's that? Oh, it's big.
Oh,
Can you guys see it? Anyway, we're gonna go. Now this is the sort of parking space that we want. No cars around. You do realise you're kind of hanging out of the back, is that?
Yeah, that's intentional.
Oh, okay.
So that I give the person in front plenty of room to like reverse and not hit me.
This is where we've parked. No idea where we are, but we're gonna give it a go. We need to figure out how we can pay as well, I'm not really sure, but yeah. Look at that! That's so cool, it's Alice in Wonderland. Kind of a creepy Alice in Wonderland, but...
So we're in the second shop of probably like 50 million in Glastonbury. This is pretty satisfying, not gonna lie to you.
Look at that little heart. If it wasn't £250, I wouldn't buy that. If it was like 40,
It's very cool.
it'd be coming home with me.
So yeah, this shop like sells loads of crystally stuff. They got massive ones around the corner. They sell like really odd stuff like this.
Odd?
Yeah, it's kind of weird, isn't it?
Oh, it's so cute. Look at that. Oh my god, I'm so excited.
The size of these bad boys.
Oh,
Like at least
I just want to buy
3 and a bit feet tall. I'm definitely in my element.
So we've just come out of the second crystal shop. I didn't buy anything, so I'm impressed with myself. But now I think we're going to try and find a coffee shop. But the problem is that we keep walking past more crystal shops. So yeah, and also people in Glastonbury clearly don't film themselves. Very cute dog. Oh, there's more crystals in this window.
It's like a lot of them.
You're gonna have to go in. You're gonna have to go in.
You have to go in this.
Okay, so we've done how many shops now? Like three. Oh, look at this one. This looks so good. Look at this.
Look at the size of them.
Wow. Oh, you buy it in bulk, so this is like the whole. Oh, I guess this is like
Brazil.
I don't know. Is it like a?
Brazil.
I don't know. Let's go in there. This looks absolutely delightful.
You could like sit in that.
I could sit in that. I want to sit in that. Stunning. Look at that. Okay, we're going in. I'm not going to film in here though because awkward, but beautiful. So we've been to a few more crystal shops and I've spent a bit more money. Ryan's having the best time. I actually am having the best time. I can't wait to bring Steph and Zoe and Beth here because they're gonna absolutely die. Especially at that crystal shop that I went into 2 shops ago. Absolutely unreal stuff in there. Unreal. And there's a lot of dogs here, so it's really great. You having a good time?
It's great, yeah.
It's such a liar. There's just dogs everywhere. Look at that dog. God, so I would honestly film all the dogs, but I don't want to just film loads of random people. But I think we have one more crystal shop to go in. Then we're going to head to Clark's Village. Because I think we need a coffee, don't you?
Yeah, I need a coffee, big time.
But yeah, is this it? No?
Yes.
Is it? Oh, here we are. Glass shop. Let's go. Are you sure?
There's the crystal. I'll just check.
Oh, okay. Run, run, run. There's one shop here. That's the crystal shop that is closed. Yeah, it definitely isn't open, but it looks cute though. Oh, it looks like it would have really good stock in there. So annoying.
It's like one of the top
ones. Why is it closed?
Yeah.
Oh no, why is it closed? Anyway, but I'm having a good day. My bag's full of rocks right now. It's very heavy. But yeah, right, let's do this last shop then, shall we?
I think so.
Are you happy that we're in on the last one?
I'm getting excited.
Getting excited that we're nearly done. So yeah, having a really good time so far. Obviously I'll show you guys what I bought, but yeah, let's go. How was that experience?
Brilliant. It's great, yeah. It's really good actually.
I think we did quite well.
It's very different. It's probably a good way to explain it. Different.
Yeah, I bought a lot of crystals.
People here are very like free, very open.
Yeah, I'm gonna take my bag in the front.
And like, I would say that where we're from, it's very weird to see it like that, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Like walking down the street and people just like singing their heart out for no reason. It's just a bit like, you did.
He was going for it though, singing and cheering, bless him. But we're done. I got some really good crystals. I spent a decent bit of money, but definitely worth it. Had a great time. Now we're gonna go to Clark's Village. So yeah, and we need a coffee. We've had I'm really proud of you. You didn't moan once actually about the crystal shopping.
I know.
So impressed.
Good, isn't it?
Yeah. Right, let's go. Let me in then.
Turn right onto Beer Lane, then turn left onto Old Butley Road.
I have a Greta behind me, that's great. Just glad it's not in front of me.
So we are now at Clark's Village. Ryan's just popping a ticket in the car. I don't know if you can see him putting it in there behind me. But we got here. It's only 5 minutes from Glastonbury town where we just were, so yeah, it was a really quick drive, but it's absolutely freezing. I am cold, so yeah. He's running like the wind. Go on, Jim lad. Lads on tour. But yeah, we're gonna go to Clark's Village now. Again, I need another way, so that's great. And I think we're gonna get a coffee or something. Yeah,
much needed.
Yeah, I need a coffee too, but it's absolutely freezing. I'm really cold. Are you not cold?
Not after that.
After that 5-mile run you just done?
Yeah.
No, that's fair. But
5K.
Off we go. You excited?
Yeah.
Yeah, buzzing. They have a hotel chocolate cafe, so should we do it?
Yeah.
Well, I think we have to, don't we?
We do.
That hot chocolate looks unreal. Look! Okay, let's go in. Unreal.
Wait,
come on. It must be. Yes. Look at the hot chocolate. How good is it on a scale of 1 to 10?
I don't know, but the cream's good.
The cream is good. I got white chocolate, Ryan got milk chocolate. Absolutely buzzed to try it. Does it taste good? Unreal. That's amazing. It tastes like ice cream.
It's good, isn't it? It's like really sick though.
It's good though. Yummy. So we just met the cutest Doberman apart from Thor. Puppy. Her name was Poppy and she was so cute. But I haven't filmed anything because apparently you're not actually allowed to film in Clark's Village. So
we started to film the hot chocolates and then the security guard come over and
he was like, I'm really sorry, you can't film. I was like, oh, that's okay. So we didn't really film anything, but we had a hot chocolate, we walked around, we got some Haribo. Because we just fancied going in there and they actually had some really cool stuff that we don't get. So
we'll show it all off.
We'll show it all in the car. But we're just going to go into Smith's now because I just want to have a little look at some books. So that's what we're going to do. But yeah, see you in a minute. So back in the car. A little bit of a vlog fail because we couldn't vlog in Clark's Village. So I feel like the footage amount, your car's going to be making a really annoying sound.
Yeah, sorry.
Can you just do a tiny offie? That's better. Thank you. Yeah, I feel like we probably haven't filmed very much. I've got a leaf stuck to my shoe, so that's great. But I thought we could show you what we bought. And when I say we, mainly me, because Ryan didn't really buy anything.
As per.
As per. Every time I move the camera shakes, so I'm really sorry about that. You're balancing on a folded up tissue. Because I've bought the small camera, not the big one, so it doesn't hold itself up. A little bit of a nightmare. But you know, we hope for the best. Do a haul. What did we buy in Haribo? Let's go.
Christ. So we got some Haribo Happy Peaches. Very nice. 50p, absolute
50p bargain.
Haribo something.
Fruitalicious. Haribos.
Haribo Scare Mix. Very lovely. My personal favourite.
Big old bag of cherries.
Big old bag of cherries.
Love that.
And our favourite.
Oh, I love these.
Our favourite.
The strawberries. Do we have one now?
And then
I'm having one now.
I think we have one more. Yeah, oh yeah, we've got eggs as well.
Should we just do a little?
I got my brother.
A little try.
Oh my god.
Unreal.
That's so good.
Oh. Why didn't we buy more bags of these? These are my favourite Haribo ever.
What? Let's go this. It lists potatoes. Potits.
We then also went to Molten Brown because Ryan recently got some Molten Brown fragrance and they had a really good sale on. So I got the Suede Oris perfume, which was originally £85 for £12.75. Bargain. It was good, isn't it?
It smells really good.
It smells really good. Couldn't describe it, so apologies. And then I also got the Molten Brown Jasmine and Sun Rose, which I don't know how much it is originally for 50ml, but I got this for £15. Bargain. So both of them was under £30. And that other one was normally £85. Insane. So yeah, that was it.
Bloody lovely.
That was all we got. And a hot chocolate, which you guys would have seen before we got told to not film anymore.
Highlight of the day was meeting Poppy, the little...
We met a Doberman and she was
puppy.
So cute. Not as cute as Thor, obviously. But yeah.
But anyone who knows that dog is watching this video. Please say
Poppy
like
Doberman, 15 weeks.
So cute.
So cute. Yeah, she was really, really cute. So we said hi to her. But now we're going to head back because it's starting to get dark and we've got to go and walk Thor. Probably going to end the video here. Not really much else to show you. Yeah, so I've had a great birthday. Thank you for spending my my birthday with me.
No problem.
And thank you guys for watching. If you've got this far, I apologise if it wasn't very good. No idea what I filmed. But I just thought, you know what?
Film what we could, but
yeah,
we couldn't actually film a lot.
Yeah, it's a weird situation really because yeah, you can't film in Clark's Village even though it's outside, very confusing. Surprisingly, Glastonbury High Street, wherever we were, was really busy.
Yeah.
Wasn't it?
It's packed.
Very busy. So
not only that, it's like, because it's like a village, the pavements are like that wide.
But I hope you guys enjoyed. Hopefully at least this vlog is 10 minutes. If it's 10 minutes long, I will be happy. So
cool. Yeah,
if you guys want to see what crystals I bought, I will include them in my what I got for my birthday video, which will probably be up like 2 videos time. I was still watching this video, so yeah, I'll do that. Because I could show you now, but I just feel like I may as well wait, you know what I mean? But yeah, I bought a lot, so yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we will see you very soon.
Goodbye.
Bye.